So the market may be red at the time of filming this video, but SHIB is acting a little strange. Things are getting a little spunky, and frankly, it looks like it wants to make a run to the upside. And in fact, we have 48 hours left for the market to start making these moves. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell. Again, it's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So actually, even overnight at midnight, Shiba Inu had a push towards 4018. And frankly, Shiba Inu is showing a lot of strength, a lot of resilience. We're still sitting above all of our moving averages. We're still on the very bullish side of things. In fact, right now, when I look at my indicator, the momentum on the daily chart is neutral. On the 1 hour, we're going to be kind of red in everything. We did have bearish momentum that flashed starting on Monday. And we're kind of just waiting for this moment for the market to pick back up, for some great, buying opportunities to present itself. Actually, on the 4 hour chart, we are showing bullish momentum, which is a very nice sign. Again, if you guys do want to check out my indicator, there is a link in the description below for that. There's a 7-day free trial, so feel free to check that out. But what I will say is, in terms of BTC, we have 48 hours left for this market structure to stay intact. All right. What I mean by that is something I've referenced a couple times recently, and this is that historic moment in the crypto market where things begin to take off. All right. I want to reference back to these. So this is 2016. So in 2016, following the exact same time frame, the exact same dates, you guys can see we actually went on a very similar consolidation. All right. A couple days of drop right before we went on a nice pop to the upside, which shows that it could actually happen by Friday. If we take a look at 2020, you guys can see very similar consolidation at that time as well, leading to a nice pop starting over the next 48 hours. Now, again, what I want to remind people of is this isn't a guarantee. All right. There are no guarantees in crypto, no guarantees that market structure is going to stay the exact same way. But I will say it's very telling that the market tends to do similar things at similar times. Now, again, I want to remind people, we have a couple great things that are coming this week still that may give us some nice positive movement to the upside. Again, right now at the time of filming this video, the market is down. We're waiting on the FOMC meeting minutes from last month. And we're trying to find out if they are more geared towards a wait and see approach again, or if they are going to be more consistent with what we saw in September, which was interest rate decrease, getting things buzzing again, bringing more positivity into the economy. That's what the big question is right now. And that's why we're kind of dropping before these minutes do in fact come out. But I want to remind people guys, we have a CPI report tomorrow. We're going to find out obviously what inflation is doing. If this last month was a month where inflation was on the rise, if it's still, managing itself, if it's tempered, if it's staying consistent. We're going to find out then from the PPI report the following day if we're seeing a similar trend there. That's what everything is just kind of waiting on right now. That's why it seems like we're in just this time of blah. Okay. And blah is okay, because blah doesn't always indicate consolidation. It doesn't always indicate drop. And I think a lot of people get that confused. All right. A lot of times when this is taking place, you're seeing accumulation happen. All right. For example, institutional money yesterday was a drop day, but guess who was buying? BlackRock. BlackRock, I think, is the biggest indicator of whether we should be bullish or whether we should be bearish. Why I say that is in terms of institutional money, they are the largest holder of BTC. They even have more right now than Grayscale. Grayscale had some outflows yesterday. I believe ARC21 and Fibit. No, that's not right. Anyways, there were a couple entities that have been kind of on the buy, kind of on the sell, but the trend forward for one specific entity, the largest institutional player in the space, is buy. And that should be a big indicator for what is likely coming. BlackRock buying has typically led to pumps in the market. Okay. Now, this isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice. Right now, we're still fighting against short positions. We're still fighting against people saying, oh yeah, this trend's going to go down. We're going to do one of these. We're going to drop and retest the bottom of this. And again, I want to point out the fact that there's no guarantees. Nobody knows what's going to happen. We could get some black swan events. We could get some negative data. We could get some negative minutes, whatever it may be, and push the market down. But pay attention to what the large holders are doing. Right now, they have been on the accumulation. They have been on the heavy buy. They have been building their position while the market's been crap. And we're gearing up for those big explosive times shortly here. So I appreciate you guys as always. Again, this isn't financial advice or anything like that. Me personally, just accumulating, building my position, and getting prepped for some of the biggest adoption times in crypto. Have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.